Well, Boone County judge will now decide if the governor's office and Department of Human Services are in contempt of court.
This all comes as a result of information shared with the county prosecutor in the case against Julie Miller. Leslie Rubin broke this story yesterday, and she's here now with what Governor Justice's chief of staff is saying today. Leslie?
Boone prosecutor Dan Holstein said he's concerned about 6 documents emailed to him from the general counsel for DoHS. Holstein says he hasn't opened them because he thinks they may be in direct violation of a judge's order in the case. This all goes back to that emergency hearing last week that attorneys for Julie Miller asked for to try and stop the state from having a press conference last Thursday that addressed its findings in a separate investigation into the death of 14-year-old Kyneddi Miller. Justice's office was looking into CPS's involvement in Kennedi's life and how that agency and state police handled a welfare check on her a year before she was found dead in an emaciated state. Judge Stacy Nowicki-Eldridge ordered the state to produce its investigative report to the defense and Holstein. However, Holstein said the order also specified that he should not be provided what he called, quote, illegally obtained information gathered when DoHS, a CPS investigator, talked to Miller or her parents without their attorneys present. Now, you may remember it was revealed last week that a CPS investigator went to the South Central Regional Jail to interview Miller without her attorney, a move deemed, quote, incredibly stupid by Justice's chief of staff. Today, Abraham said the judge has agreed to look over the material and decide who needs it and go from there.
The case last week that was filed asking for an injunction to stop the press conference should have never been filed in Boone County. West Virginia law requires any case against a constitutional office holder has to be filed here in Kanawha County. Nonetheless, they took that up, which generated this order saying that material had to be turned over from DoHS. I'm advised that material was provided to the prosecutor. That's normal protocol, but the prosecutor, doing the right thing, wanted to make sure that he didn't get information he shouldn't have. I got on a phone call myself personally yesterday with both attorneys and the judge, and it was agreed that all material would be turned over to the court, and the court would give each party what it was they were entitled to. Why there was a file.
Abraham went on to say he was not aware that the prosecutor also claimed DoHS never followed up with him after Holstein questioned the documents that he was emailed. He told me they'd follow up on that and find out what happened. Holstein did ask the judge to consider holding the state in contempt if it's determined they violated the judge's order. Reporting in the studio, Leslie Rubin, Eyewitness News. We have more great Eyewitness News investigates right here. Subscribe and hit the bell notification to have the latest uploads delivered straight to you.